Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit view-only and comment-only files in Google Sheets. Whether you've been sent a spreadsheet you can't modify or stumbled upon a shared document with limited permissions, this tutorial will show you two effective methods to work around these restrictions and get editing access. Let's say you have a sample Google Sheet in front of you that's marked as view-only. The great news is that the process I'm about to show you works identically for both view-only and comment-only files, so you can use these techniques regardless of which permission level you're dealing with. The first option is the most straightforward if you need full collaboration access. Look at the top right of your screen where you'll see the View Only label. Click on it and you'll notice an option that says Request Access. This is your direct line to the file owner. Click on Request Access to begin the permission request process. A dialog box will appear with a drop-down menu. This is important because you want to make sure you're requesting the right level of access. Click on the drop-down menu and ensure that it's set to Editor. This guarantees you're asking for full editing rights rather than just commenting privileges. You'll also see a message field where you can optionally explain why you need access, though this step isn't mandatory. Once you're satisfied with your request, click Send. The file owner will receive your request and can grant you editing permissions. Keep in mind that you'll need to wait for them to approve your request before you can make any changes. Now let's explore the second option, which gives you immediate editing capability without waiting for anyone's approval. This method involves creating your own copy of the file. At the top of your Google Sheets interface, click on File to open the drop-down menu. From the options that appear, click on Make a Copy. This action duplicates the entire spreadsheet into your own Google Drive. A small window will pop up asking you to name your new copy. Input a name for it that helps you identify this version. Then click Make Copy. Google Sheets will process your request, and within moments, you'll have a brand new spreadsheet that opens automatically. This copy belongs entirely to you, meaning you have full editing rights and can modify it however you like. And there you have it. You now know two reliable methods to edit view-only or comment-only files in Google Sheets. The first method requires owner approval but maintains connection to the original file, while the second gives you instant access through your own independent copy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.